Assalamualaikum. In the beginning, the name of Allah is Most Almighty and Most Merciful. So in this video, we are going to know MongoDB part 2. So in this video, we are going to know more things of collection methods. So that's day 2 of doing collections. We will open MongoDB assets and connect it like this. I will show first of all show DBS. Okay, I'm going to use school. Okay, I will write SQLS. And now what we are going to do, we will create more things in it. So if I show you, okay. So if I show you what the next one that is going to be, first of all I will show you db dot collection dot find. So there are 1, 2, 3. So simply if I come here and I will show you in this video, we are going to show first of all the find one. So if I can, first of all we are going to see find one. There will be the query projection option. Let's see. If I write a what? db dot collection dot find one. First of all, name Farooq, age 40. Wait, we have criteria 1. First showing null. We have to do it like this. Or if I finish only name, not quite showing now. If we write only find one, I will put the ID. So ID will be automatically came. Let's go right CLS. After doing this, we are going to do, let's see db.collection dot it's capped. What is use of Mongo search method? Important. So the page document a Mongo search method. This is non-document of database commands or language specific drivers such as Node.js. Come down. Right, we will see another. Let's see remove. db dot, let's see this one. repeat use delete one delete many. Okay. Okay. That's the remove and remove one not work. So we will see another one. I think that is going to be update one. Let's see how the update one works. I will write here date one what name will be watch. Why the watch is not defined? And right here, or you can say like right here. These things was the more you can learn more, but the basic are these like db.collection count. There will be the options more. So first of all, now what I will do, I will create one more use to then. Now what I will do, I will create a more one more database. What? That one. Like this, and if I write a what name not id, there will be the h not name will be Rahim. That will be first name. Last name will be Shakil and that. And then db dot collection dot find. There we go. db dot collection dot remove not remove, there will be delete. For delete, what we will do, we will write a db dot collection dot delete or drop, like drop, and what you will do, first of all db, first of all we will show dbs. There we go, the school. Where is the student? Okay, we add drop any. So that's all the video, and thank you and watching, and Allah Hafiz and bye bye. Goodbye, Assalamu alaikum.